Today, everyone is talking about the Shiba Inu like there's no tomorrow. The crypto community is going wild, with 46 billion worth of trade volume in just one day. Analysts are pointing to potential opportunities, and Donald Trump has dropped some surprising news. The big question is hanging in the air as billionaires drop hints about huge movements. When will we have to buy more? I don't understand. What is the overall connection? Let's find out what happens next. For those who love Shiba Inu, it is a very special day. There has been a new surge of optimism due to the rising prices and the market buzz. The anticipation is high, but not all experts are prepared to rejoice just yet. Warnings that this ascent may slow or even reverse have prompted others to advise prudence. Important chart levels are being watched by investors to see if Shiba Inu can completely reverse negative trends, which is a major consideration when making strategic decisions. Recently, Shiba Inu fell below important support levels, even if the crypto market sentiment is generally favorable. The decline below a substantial moving average, an important indication for assessing long-term trends, made some investors nervous about the change. Reclaiming this level and surpassing an important price threshold are crucial for Shiba Inu to regain momentum and restore investor confidence. The bearish undertones might remain till then. The thrill of today remains impossible to deny. Despite these obstacles, the unexpected increase in the value of Shiba Inu has caught everyone's attention, and the question now is why? Now we have Donald Trump. Even though Trump was only inaugurated as President of the United States, his administration has already caused waves in the cryptocurrency market. He has been quite supportive of digital assets in the past, even though he didn't mention them in his inaugural address. Eventually, he went so far as to call himself crypto president and pledged to reduce restrictions on cryptocurrency ownership in order to increase its accessibility. Adding gasoline to the flames, rumors have it that Trump has been buying up a lot of Ethereum, particularly for Shiba Inu and other Ethereum-based projects. A tweet confirming this has caused market shockwaves. Ethereum is the foundation of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Projects running on the Ethereum network tend to benefit from any improvement to the cryptocurrency. His own meme coin, which Trump introduced not long ago, has already shattered records within days, adding to the interest. As a result, the crypto sector has received more attention than ever before, and digital assets have reached a critical juncture. Not just Trump is everyone talking. The interest in learning how to buy cryptocurrency has reached an all-time high, according to Google Trends. This surge shows that there is a flood of new people getting into the cryptocurrency market, and it's probable that many of them are finding Shiba Inu as they look into their alternatives. Shiba Inu is well positioned to capitalize on this surge in interest thanks to its robust community and appealing entry point. Shiba Inu has the potential to soar to new heights as the crypto sector continues to attract more and more people. Bitcoin, however, has been in the news for all the wrong reasons. The spot trading volume of Bitcoin reached a record-breaking 46 billion in just one day during Trump's inauguration. Among all trading days, this was the 7th busiest and the highest volume ever seen on a holiday or weekend. Martin Luther King Jr. Day saw the stock market closed, so all eyes were on cryptocurrency, a sign of the increasing fascination with digital assets. Individual investors aren't the only ones propelling this forward pace. Also getting on board are billionaires. Famous businessman Mark Cuban has spoken out about his love for Shiba Inu and the breed's emphasis on community. Cuban has dropped hints that he may create his own meme token, drawing inspiration from the success of Trump's and Melania's. He proposes a new coin with all of its sales going toward paying down the national debt by way of the United States Treasury. The meme coin story takes a new turn thanks to Cuban's commitment to openness, which includes intentions to disclose wallet addresses for complete responsibility. Despite the dangers, he thinks a committed community can make a difference, which is in line with Shiba Inu's worldview, and he compares the effort to a game of musical chairs. The fact that Shiba Inu has managed to stay relevant in the crypto world despite all the changes is a result of its dedicated community. According to Cuban, Shiba Inu is a model of a meme coin that thrives thanks to its dedicated user base. The significance of community in maintaining a project's momentum and guaranteeing its long-term success is highlighted by his statements. The remarkable comeback of Treat, Shiba Inu's ecosystem coin, has only added to the excitement. Treat has recovered from a shaky start, with its price falling dramatically after introduction and is now up more than 60% in only one day. The cryptocurrency community is taking notice of this astounding rebound, and Treat is among the top gainers. In addition to its impact on the market, its comeback is noteworthy for the function it plays in the Shiba Inu ecology. There is hope for the future of the Shiba Inu project as a whole, and Treat's return adds to that optimism. Looking at the larger picture, it's easy to see that Shiba Inu is incredibly well positioned for success in the long run. Having a committed group of programmers, a large and expanding user base, and an emphasis on new ideas, Shiba Inu has excellent prospects for further expansion. The crypto community was recently reminded by CZ, Binance's previous CEO, that patience is vital. Good things do not come quickly, and CZ said that investors should concentrate on the long term rather than short-term returns. This ideology is exemplified by Shiba Inu's journey. Its expansion hasn't been about becoming rich quick, but rather laying the groundwork for long-term prosperity. The future of the cryptocurrency business is bright for initiatives like Shiba Inu that put an emphasis on community involvement and substantial progress. Even though there will be many curves in the road ahead, the promise is there. It is critical to think about how outside forces will affect the future of Shiba Inu as we go farther. Deflationary model, which Shiba Inu employs, is one of the most interesting aspects. A key component in lowering supply and producing scarcity is token burns, which entail removing currency from circulation. As a result of the high demand for scarce tokens, their value tends to rise over time. There has been a tremendous community effort and dedication to long-term growth, as seen by the recent data showing that the burn rate of Shiba Inu has been rising consistently. Furthermore, Shibarium's Layer 2 scaling solution is still very much in demand. Some of the most important problems in the cryptocurrency industry, like network congestion and expensive gas fees, are solved by Shibarium, which provides quicker and cheaper transactions. With this update, Shiba Inu becomes a more attractive option for users and developers looking for efficient blockchain solutions, and it also makes it more practical. Shiba Inu's acceptance and overall market standing could be greatly affected by Shibarium's performance. The prospects of Shiba Inu are further enhanced by the introduction of new partnerships and collaborations. Forming partnerships with well-known entities in the blockchain and technology sectors may pave the way for novel use cases and applications. For example, a major step toward Shiba Inu's eventual general adoption would be to integrate it into conventional payment systems or e-commerce platforms. In light of these changes, it is clear that Shiba Inu needs to be innovative and flexible to survive in the dog industry. In light of the dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency market, what are your thoughts on the future of Shiba Inu? Leave a comment with your thoughts. Please like and comment on this video if you are interested in learning more. Participation like yours aids in communication and keeps people in the loop. If you don't want to miss any updates, enable alerts. Stay tuned and share this video with everyone you know because you don't want to miss out on important Shiba Inu news. It's time to spread the word about this great news.